To exchange cryptocurrency in the Revolut app, start by opening the app on your phone and clicking on the Crypto tab at the bottom. This will open up your crypto wallet, where you can view your available funds. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to exchange, such as USDT, BNB, or BTS, or use the search bar to find a specific one. For demonstration purposes, let's choose USDT. After selecting the cryptocurrency, you'll see a new screen where you can click the buy button. On the next screen, enter the amount you want to exchange and select the cryptocurrency you want to exchange it for, such as Bitcoin, from the bottom tab. Once you've entered the amount and selected the new cryptocurrency, your USDT will be exchanged. This process allows you to easily exchange cryptocurrencies in the Revolut app.